In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make keyboard keys in Framer. We'll walk through a simple, reliable flow that uses Framer's built-in assistant to generate clean, reusable keycap elements you can style to match your design. First, head to Framer in your browser. Once you're in, start fresh by creating a new project. This gives you a clean canvas and the default layers and settings Framer expects, so the assistant's suggestions slot in smoothly. Next, look to the left sidebar and open Agent. Agent is Framer's AI helper. It's designed to understand natural language and turn it into design elements, layout suggestions, or component structures. Inside Agent, click Ask Framer to open the prompt composer. You'll see a simple text field where you can describe what you want. Type the phrase "Make keyboard keys." Keep it short for now. You can refine it after the first result. If you already know the look you're going for, you can include quick qualifiers like rounded corners, subtle shadows, light border, or compact spacing. Clear language helps Agent generate a set of keys that feel like real keycaps, with proper padding, readable labels, and a visual hierarchy between regular keys and emphasis keys. Send your prompt by clicking Send or pressing Enter. Framer will think for a moment and then return a result. From here, you can make edits directly in the space you're in. Adjust the labels to match the keys you need, refine corner radius for a softer or sharper look, and tune shadows and borders to achieve the right depth. If the assistant provides multiple variations or parameters, iterate in the same prompt thread by saying things like darker text, slightly thicker border, or tighter spacing until it matches your style. When you're happy with the result, you've got a solid foundation for consistent, clickable key visuals across your project, all created quickly, without manual pixel pushing. That's the full flow for making keyboard keys in Framer using Agent and Ask Framer.